Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, we are making egusi soup, a Nigerian soup which is also called melon soup, and I'll be making this with some vegetable which is called okazi. If you are new here, you are highly welcomed. My name is Henrietta Onyemere, and to my old subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for stopping by. Relax, let me show you how I made this delicious soup. Here I have 3 cups of egusi seeds. That's the star of today's dish. And I have the okazi leaves here. This is dried okazi. I'll be soaking it in water later. And here I have dry catfish and a hagfish, which we call banla. And I'll be using cow meat and also roasted goat meat. I will also be adding some cow skin, which we'll call kanda or omo. And I have some fresh peppers here and some onions. I'll be adding crayfish, salt of course, and some dry pepper in case it is needed. I also have some garlic and ginger powder to spice the meat. And then we have the palm oil. So I'll start by cooking the beef first. The goat meat we are using is already roasted, so I'm not adding it now. I'll spice the meat with some onions, which I blended. You can also use knife and cut or chop the onions. And I'll sprinkle in some salt. I'm also adding it some garlic and ginger powder, but that's optional. You can choose not to add it to yours. I'll add some seasoning cubes. I'm using 2 here. And then after that, I add a little water, stir, cover, and allow it to cook for some minutes before I now add other things. Keep watching. The beef is about 70% cooked now. I'll now add the goat meat and the other ingredients. This goat meat is well dried and so delicious. You can enjoy it even without cooking, with your wine or beer or juice. If you need it, just send me email and make your order. I'll also be adding the dry fishes, the banla and the catfish. I'll then add the pepper and the other spices and ingredients. Add some water, allow it to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes so that the juice from the goat meat and the fish can enter the soup very well. The goat meat and others have cooked for about 5 minutes now. It is now time for me to add the palm oil. I added about 1.5 cooking spoon of palm oil with some crayfish. I'll stir and add in more water, which I'm going to use to cook the soup. After that, it is now time to add our egusi. After grinding my egusi with dry meal, I mix it with little water to get it this consistency. I want to get some lumps after cooking the egusi. But if you don't want a lumpy egusi, you can blend it with water or mix it with enough water. And then I scoop it like this and cover without stirring it for about 15 minutes. After cooking the egusi for 15 minutes, this is what we have. But I don't want it this lumpy, so I will still use my spoon or spatula and cut it into tiny bits of lumps. The soup is still very thick, so I'll add it some water. I have hot water here, which I just added a little. But if you like very thick soup, you can leave yours like that. Then stir and taste for salt and even pepper. Add more if needed, then cover and allow to cook for about 10 more minutes. And here is the okazi. I'll wash and then leave it in water until when I'm ready to add it to the pot. After about 10 to 12 minutes, the egusi has cooked very well. It is now time to add our vegetable. If you don't want vegetable, you can also leave it like this. But I love to eat my soup with vegetables, so I'm using okazi soup. You can use bitter leaf, you can use spinach, you can use ugu, pumpkin leaf. You can also use water leaf to cook this egusi. Even oha leaves. Yes, anything can go very well with this egusi soup. And after stirring and leaving it to cook for about 2 minutes, our egusi soup is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also share the video. Subscribe if you haven't. And until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. Bring your apple or gari. See you in our next video. Remain blessed. I love you all. Bye bye.